My name's Kendra with Ray Yoga. Today's meditation is to help you cultivate peace. When things start to seem out of control, we can focus on some things that we can control, like how we react to situations and our breath. Let's do this together. Bring your body into a comfortable position. You may find yourself seated or lying down. Close your eyes. Let go of any control of the breath you may have, allowing the body to breathe itself. Now imagine a place where you've been to before, or a place you make up. This place is somewhere you feel completely comfortable and at ease. Bring in all of your senses. Feel it fully. What do you see? What do you hear? Are there any smells or certain tastes? Is there any familiar people? Create this safe and sacred place in the mind's eye. Know that you can come back to this place anytime you need. Feel the support of your sacred place. Now notice, without judgment, how your body feels. Are there any certain feelings or emotions you're experiencing right now? And without wanting to change anything, allow whatever shows up to be there. And just as you allow it to show up, allow it to gently fade away. Noticing, like a wave in an ocean, our thoughts and feelings come and go, continuously moving, continuously changing. Observe. Simply watch, feel, and allow. Notice your breath. The natural movement that happens in the body as you inhale, as you exhale. Start to deepen the inhalation and exhalation. Inhale and exhale through the nose. Bring your attention to the space between the eyebrows. Imagine a bright white light. And as you inhale, the light travels through the space between your eyebrow, down the spine, and stops at the base of the spine. Then as you exhale, the white light travels up your spine and out through the space between the eyebrows. Inhale, the light travels in through the space between the eyebrows, down the spine. Exhale, the light travels up and out through the space between the eyebrows. Continue to breathe like this, imagining the white light traveling up and down the spine, connected to the breath. Gently allow the body to once again breathe itself. Notice your body resting. Resting right now. Give yourself space to feel however you're feeling, to let go of whatever is holding you back. Focus on the small things that you can control, like your breath and how you react to situations. Feeling your body, noticing the breath. Be in the now. Take things one tiny step at a time. Bring your attention back to the space around you. Find small movements in the body, wiggling the toes, wiggling the fingers. Slowly, when you feel ready, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me.